Hello friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to restore data on your device. So friends, before we start the video, I want to remind you, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then scroll down to accounts and backup. Then here you have to click on restore data. Okay, here click on this arrow that's small. Then here you can choose any apps that you want to restore data. You can unselect also like this that you don't want to restore. Okay, you can unselect like this that apps. If you want to select all, just click on this icon and it has been selected all. Okay, then click on restore and the data will be restored. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.